So here we have a 1960 Corvette Restomod, and it houses a lot of our in-house custom-made parts. It has our custom inner fender extensions in the engine bay, the retainers needed to install them, cowl vent block off, and firewall. This Restomod also has our 59 to 62 hood, which eliminates factory latches and bracing for a cleaner look. The inner framework is all one piece, and like all of our hoods, it comes with a smooth Class A finish on both sides. And on the front end of the car, beneath it, we have our nose delete panel, which eliminates the license plate opening in the front end. And in the trunk, we have a custom trunk latch bracket, which you use when you eliminate the spare tire. These products, as well as all our products, are available in an online catalog on our website. So request yours today, or I don't know.
I got that.
All right.